Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, as you can see, looking at this particular chart, we have seen a doji candle is formed. After that there is a continuous upside. From 3 weeks there is a continuous high, and I have already explained you that there is a higher probability we can see there can be a chances of going further upside because there is a breakout happen. Okay, and this breakout is showing that, see, suppose if there is a range, that means the price was moving for so long in this range, and if it moves upside, and upside we can see, or if it moves downside and a further fall we can see. Looking at this particular chart, there is opposite U pattern is forming. After that there is a high, and when it started going below a level of around 2.5, again we will see there will be a higher chances that we can see the price can move further low. Okay, this is the level. First thing. Second thing is that overall trend, if you look at from 2021, there is opposite U pattern is forming. After that there is an upside, and now again there is a trend. Still, what we can see, looking at the bigger chart, bigger picture, we see there is a higher chances that we can see the price can fall below a level of $2 also, because clearly pattern is showing. Okay, but if we look at this particular pattern also, the smaller one, there is, if it is started going below a level of 2.5, now we will see it will fall further down, but as of now it is trying to go upside. So once started sustaining above a level of $2.75, we will see upside movement, and there is a trend we can see from 2-3 days there is a continuous upside. Okay, even for a week, 3 weeks, there is a continuous high. So chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, so looking at this particular chart, the U pattern is forming here. So once the price started moving above a level of 2.75, a further upside movement. Okay, opposite U pattern is forming this way. So chances can be high that once the price started going below a level of $2.5, a further fall we can see, and then to a level of 2.3, and then further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the level we can see. Okay, this level we have seen, it is continuously for 5 times. It has made a high. After that a fall has come and a U pattern is formed. See, there is a continuous upside. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and these profit booking has come at these levels, and there is a downfall. Okay, so for the 6th time it have not sustained because of the war situation. After that the price was continuously moving down. This gap is still pending, so keep remember this. If the price started moving above a level of 3.7, there is a probability it will touch a level of 1.4 to a level of 1.35. Okay, now see, chances are very high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.778. Okay, which is a half this zone, and there is a higher chances that once started going up this level, we will see a level of around $2.9128. Okay, if the price started moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $3.0458. Okay, 3.0458 is a weak resistance. Chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $3.45. And once started going up with this level, we will see it will cross that level and it will go towards 3.5 to a level of 3.6 level. Okay, and once started going above that particular zone, a further upside movement we can see. This is the level we have seen. Okay, so once the zone breakout happens from 3.6, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $3.9475. Okay, and then this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, and if it started moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now understand something. See, market is uncertain, as I've already explained you. Overall trend, see, remember this, if the price started going above a level of 2.75, keep this as a stop loss, and if the price move below this level, wait for some time, and then once started moving below a level of 2.5, there will be selling we can see. But if the price keeps sustaining a level of 2.75, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but as I've already explained you that market is uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that it will move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, suppose if you are keeping x amount of quantity, but the volatility you are thinking as per this, but the volatility happened at this level, so your SL will hit first rather than hitting your target. So always try to check the volatility and decide your quantity. If it is more volatile, then reduce it to half, increase your SL by twice, and target by twice. Okay, this will help. This will help. Then the volatility as per your quantity, it will not hit your SL rather than hit your target, and then you can make good profit. Okay, so always try to set your SL, and if you are in profit, always try to trail your SL. This will save your profit also. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, because you have to understand there is a pattern forming, and once started moving below a level of 2.5 or further fall, we can see. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down towards a level of $2.5479. Okay, if the price started falling below this level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.4650. Okay, and once the price started moving below this level, it will go further down towards a level of 2.3170, which is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will touch a level of 2.2. Okay, and if it started moving below a level of $2.2, a further fall we can see, and then from there a probability of touching a level of $1.9405. There is a higher chances that once started moving below a level of 2.5, it will touch a level of 2.3, and once started moving below a level of 2.3, chances of going below a level of $2 we can see. And yes, it will move below a level of $2, and it will touch a level of 1.9405, and if started moving below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 1.8035 to a level of $1.7085. Okay, and if it started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see in the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please